Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account has been disabled for violating our terms. So guys, if you want to log in your Instagram account and it has been disabled, then I'll show you how can you get it back. So firstly you have to close this page from here, and after that guys, just simply you have to open any browser in your phone. Like I am opening Google Chrome here, and just simply you have to write here disable Instagram account. So just simply you have to search for this, and as you can see guys, and disable Instagram account option, just simply you have to tap on that. Now wait some second from here guys. So as you can see guys, here are the community guidelines, and now guys from here just simply you have to scroll it down from here. Now as you can see guys, it's showing here was this helpful, so you have to tap on no. And now from here guys, just simply you have to tap on other option. So guys, just simply you have to write here. So just simply you have to explain the problem here. So so you have to write this one. Hello Instagram team, my Instagram account has been disabled by some reason, and I don't think that I have violated any terms and policy. If it's happened, then maybe by mistake. I assure you that I will not make mistake in future. So please give my account back to me. Yeah, just simply you have to write this. So it was also given in the description, so you have to copy from there and you have to write here, and just simply you have to submit, and after that your request will be submitted and Instagram team will contact with you within 48 hours, and hopefully your problem will be fixed and hopefully your account will be back to you. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.